Hi students, the topic which I am going to discuss is on custom. So when I am talking about custom, the very word, it's present in the science jurisprudence. And when I am talking about jurisprudence is the science of knowledge of law. So when I am talking about law as a whole, so custom is a part of law. Law comprises of legislations, custom and precedents. These are the sources of law. The rules, the regulations, the orders, whatever we talk about, we refer to in daily life, or whatever have been done, it's all about law. So when I'm talking about custom, so custom is the principal usage which has been going on from time since immemorial. It is confined in a codified form, maybe sometimes or maybe not, but it is really prized as an important source of law, as an important part of law. Therefore, so to say custom, it's an important source, and it's very much desirable to define the same. I would like to quote few of the jurists like Salmond, Holland and Austin. So Salmond defined custom as an embodiment of principles which have been condemned themselves to the national conscience for its public utility and obviously based on principle of justice. So therefore, if I differentiate, or if I just break down the definition of Salmond, so it's an amalgamation, which means the embodiment of those principles, of those rules and regulations, or the procedures which are being going on since time immemorial. We don't know from when, and it's the thing which is being practiced since time immemorial, and it's being practiced based on justice and obviously on public utility. Now I'm referring to Holland, and where he states that custom is generally observed as a code of conduct. It's a code of conduct, it's a ritual, it's a thing which goes on, which is being followed without any question. And last but not the least, I would like to quote Austin. He stated that custom obviously is a rule of conduct which the governed, that is the people, observes spontaneously without any force and not in pursuance to any politically superior person. So custom is something which is not binding on people. It's something which is being going on, and people follow it as a ritual. They don't even question the need of following the thing. Now, when I'm talking about as I have defined it about the custom, now I just would like to say or talk about the essential requisites of a valid custom, where you would state that these are the qualities which are needed to state that custom is a valid one, to make the custom valid one. First one, that is immemorial. Custom should be immemorial. We don't know from where the custom came or where it's generated. It's present from since time immemorial, and which is the origin of it, man don't have any reference of it. Second thing, it is continuous. Custom should be continuous. It should not be breaking out. It should not be broke down in between, and it should not be like continued from again after some time. No, it should be in a continuous phase. Second thing, certain and definite. Custom should be certain. It should have a particular way. It should have a particular formula, and it should be definite. It has this a boundary. It should have its boundary. That is of being a definite thing. Next, peaceable. Custom should be considered as a peaceable thing. Whenever a custom is being followed, the enjoyment of the custom is followed, it should be done in a very peaceful manner. It should not bring any kind of violence, any kind of mobility, any kind of disturbance. It should be full of peaceful activity. The next one is compulsory observance. When I'm talking of compulsory observance is not only on the part of the people, but it should also be on the part of the court. The court should satisfy itself by giving a mark to, yes, this particular custom has its rule and it should have its gravity and it should be followed spontaneously. Then The next point is universal. Custom should be universal, and it should be followed by every people, and the people knows about it. That much. Thank you.